Hello guys, I'm back with another video and it is a very interesting one. Today I'm going to talk about the best 5 online AI based video editors. There are a lot of reasons why you should use an AI video editor instead of a traditional one. The first reason has to be that you do not have to install any type of app when you use a online video editor. You can also access the online video editor from anywhere and any device, which is a really good feature. And all of these AI video editors are cloud based, which means all of your videos are stored in the cloud, so you do not have to have any worry about losing your videos. So the first online AI video editing tool is Pictory, and I think a lot of you guys may have already heard the name. It is getting more and more popular because of its extraordinary features, and these are the 4 most impressive features of Pictory. So you can make videos from script, from articles, you can edit videos, you can also make shorts from your long videos. And let's have a look at the editor of Pictory, and you can see all the scenes of the video have already appeared in the editor. To edit a particular scene, you have to click on that and then you can make all the edits you want. You can also add different types of visuals, for example stock images or video. As you can see, there are a lot of stock videos. You can also select stock images from this section. There are also some elements like stickers, GIFs, and even emojis. And to make your video more interesting, you can add different types of background musics. There are over 50,000 tracks available in Pictory. You can also add your own voiceover. There is also an option to add different types of text to your videos. And in the style section, you can edit the template style of your intro, outro, and the subtitle. If you want to make your videos brandable, you can add intro from here and outro from this section. The last section in Pictory is choosing aspect ratio for your video. You can also change the resolution if you want. Now let's see the pricing of Pictory. So there is currently a free trial plan which allows you to create 3 video projects. As for the paid plans, in the annual plan you have to pay $90 per month for the standard package and $39 for the premium package. There is also a monthly subscription which is a little bit more costly, $23 for standard and $47 for premium. The next online AI video editor in our list is WebVideo. This is another promising tool. The best part about WebVideo is it is not only limited to being a video editor, it also has so many other features. For example, it lets you stream flawlessly with so many streaming features. It also has some other features such as audio editing, video marketing tools, video hosting, and so many other options. So now let's see the editor of WebVideo. This is the editor of WebVideo, and we are currently on the storyboard section, which is the timeline of your video. So you can add a scene or delete a scene from this section. And on top you have the resize option, which lets you choose the aspect ratio for your video. Then there is the template section, and there are over 1000 templates, which is really good. All the templates are divided into various groups. So if you want a specific templates, you can just go to the group and select your template. And there is obviously the stock media of WebVideo, which contains over 2 million assets. So no matter what kind of media you are looking for, whether it's video or image, you are going to find it here. And then there is the edit section that allows you to add different kind of effects to your video. For example, you can zoom out, you can zoom in, rotate, and do a lot of other things. You can also choose the layout of your video from here. Then you have your text option that allows you to add different types of text, and there are already some pre-made text with very attractive fonts. You can also add emoji, stickers, Giphy, logo, and so many other things to your videos from this section. And this is the audio library. So from this section you will get different types of stock background music that you can add to your video. You can also upload if you want. And this is one of the best features of WebVideo that allows you to add captions, and you do not have to do it manually. WebVideo has an auto transcribe which allows you to automatically add subtitles to your video. And last but not least, there is the enhancer option where you can edit your audio into different styles. Now let's see what is the cost of WebVideo. So WebVideo obviously offers a free trial that allows you to make a 15 minutes of video, and keep in mind that the videos are going to have watermark of web video. And then there is the streamer option that costs $16 per month in the annual plan, creator $24 and $48 for the business plan. There is also a monthly subscription. The next best AI video editor in the list is perhaps my favorite one. It is vid.io. It also has so many features just like web video, and you can see it is not only a video editor, it also allows you to add subtitles. There are some tools like video trimmer, merger, even background remover. You can also record your screen, and there are obviously some other tools. So after you log into vid.io, you will get a dashboard like this. And to edit a video, you will have to choose this option, and then you will get redirected to the editor. So in the editor, I have already opened a video. In the first section, which is settings, you can choose the aspect ratio of your video. So there are already some suitable aspect ratios for specific social platforms like YouTube, YouTube Short, TikTok, Instagram Post. This is really useful because you do not have to know the aspect ratio. These are already given into the editor. Then you can choose a solid background for your video. You can also choose an image if you want. And one of my most favorite features is the clean audio, which allows you to remove all the background noise. So then there is the stock media option that allows you to upload your own media, or you can choose vid.io's stock video, stock music, and obviously sound effects. The sound effects is something a lot of competitors do not have. It is really useful because currently more and more people are relying on sound effects to make their video more interesting or more funny. Then there is the subtitle option that has 3 different features. You can automatically add subtitle. You can also add manual subtitles, and if you already have a subtitle file, you can upload that here. So then there is the text option. There are some already pre-made text templates. There are some elements, and the elements are, to be honest, endless. It is not just the shapes or the emojis. There are sound waves, there are progress bars, animated stickers, and then there is the GIFs, draw, featured, and there are so many other types of elements. Then there is the template section. So if you are making a text to speech video, these templates can be super helpful. All of the templates have different categories. And then there is the record section that allows you to record your camera, like web camera, or just the audio of your mic. You can also record your screen and camera. And some AI video editors do not have this section, which is transition. And to add that transition, you do not have to know any type of advanced editing. All you need is vid.io, and there are already some transition. You can preview the transition and then add the one that seems suitable to you. So the last feature on the video editor of vid.io is the filter section. You can color grade your videos from this section, which is unbelievable because to color grade you usually have to use Premiere Pro or something complicated like that. But thanks to vid.io, you can do that without any type of advanced knowledge. So these are all the color gradings you can add to your video. You can also add different types of effects to your video, which is another great feature. For example, let me add this, and as you can see, the video looks really good. Now let's have a look at the pricing of this amazing AI video editor. So there is a free plan that allows you to make 10 minutes of video and 30 minutes of subtitle adding. The annual basic plan costs $12 per month. The Pro costs $24 and $59 for the business plan. There is also a monthly plan which is $18 for basic, $30 for Pro, and $70 for business. The next AI video editor on our list is InVideo, and the best part about InVideo is the amount of templates. It has over 5,000 professionally created templates. So if your video editing or making purpose is based on templates, InVideo is going to be really useful. So let's see what you can do with InVideo. So these are the features of InVideo. You can choose obviously the templates and make video according to those templates. You can turn your text to video. So to edit your video, you will have to choose this option, and then you will get redirected to the editor. So I have already opened an video, and the open video or all the other files will appear in this section. And then you can add stock footage, stock video footage from here. Then there is the stock image option, and keep in mind the amount of stock video million images is 1 million. There is also the option to add different types of background music. You can choose genre and then select a suitable music for your video. There is also an option to add special effects, which is really cool, and then you can obviously add different types of text to your videos. There are already some typography templates. If you want to add the logo of your brand, you can do that here. You can add sticker, shapes, overlays and masks from the elements section, and this is the 5000 templates option. No matter what template you want, what kind of videos you are making, you are sure to find the template from here. So these are all the features of InVideo, and to be honest, the editing features are quite basic compared to the other products we were reviewing. So now let's have a look at the pricing and plans of InVideo. Currently there is a lifetime business plan that is going to cost $400. So by paying $400 you can get lifetime access to InVideo. And as for the subscription plan, the yearly plan costs $15 for business and $30 for unlimited, and the monthly plan costs $30 for business and $60 for unlimited. FlexClip is the last AI video editor in our list. It comes in the last position does not mean that it is a bad AI video editor. In fact, it is one of the top ones. Just have a look at all the templates. There are so many different types of templates, such as for business purposes, for lifestyle purposes, and obviously for social media purposes. There are also different types of tools such as Slideshow Maker, Trim Video, Add Music to Videos, which is a great addition to any video editing task. Now let's go to the FlexClip editor and see what it can do. So this is the editor of FlexClip, and this is their template section. So all of the templates are categorized, so you can find the one you need very easily. Then there is the media option. In this section you can upload any type of media. It can be a video, photo or audio. As you can see, I have already uploaded a video. You can add different types of text. You can add generic text, or you can also choose a already designed template text. FlexClip also allows you to add subtitles, and FlexClip already has an AI that will automatically add subtitle for you. If you do not want that, you can add a subtitle manually too. You can change the styles of your subtitles from here. Then there is the stock video option. Keep in mind the stock assets of FlexClip is over 4 million, which is really good. So these are all the stock videos and stock photos and stock audio. There are also some sound effects that you can use. And then there is the elements section. I really like how they have provided a lot of different types of elements, unlike some other editors that only give you the option to add emojis and shapes. You can also add different types of overlays to your video. If you want to change the background of your video, you can do that from this section. You can add stock video. You can also add photo background. If you want to add branding to your video, you can do that from this section. You can add any type of text. You can also add the logo of your brand. Now let's have a look at the pricing of FlexClip. A great news is that FlexClip is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So by paying only $69, you can get lifetime access to FlexClip. And here are all the features of the FlexClip AppSumo plan. So with a one-time purchase of $69, you will get these following features from FlexClip. Now let's have a look at the subscription plans of FlexClip. So in the annual plan, the basic package costs $5 per month, the plus costs $9, and the business plan costs $19 per month. If you choose the monthly subscription, price will rise to $9 for basic, $19 for plus, and $29 for business. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you do, make sure you like this video. And if you want to buy any of these AI video editors, just check the description. I will include all of the links of all these AI video editors in the description below. And do not forget to comment which one of these AI video editors is your favorite. Until next time, stay safe and goodbye.